Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Uk49 lunchtime 24 February 2022 0304 0304 2 number 4 from lunchtime. Uk49 lunchtime 25th February 2023. I repeat once again, these number only for lunchtime. Only for lunchtime for the 25th February. 0607 42 19 34 33 31 20 and 46. Thank you for watching video. For the tea time, I will upload my prediction after tea time result. Thank you for watching once again. Take care.